this actually smells really good. Hey guys, so I am at the gas station right now getting gas. Y'all, it's been a minute since I have even done a vlog. This is crazy. I don't know, it just kind of feels foreign a little bit. I don't know, I just haven't been in the mood to vlog because I just feel like my life is not, or it hasn't been like really exciting. So I'm not gonna say that. Like, I've been doing stuff and going places. It's just I haven't had the energy to like actually vlog for like a whole week or even for a day. Like, I just haven't been in the mood. One thing, y'all ignore my voice. I'm not gonna lie, I love when my voice is raspy. Am I the only one? I don't know. I just love how it sounds. So yeah, I'm getting gas. Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can read by the title, it's gonna be a vlog. I don't know if we're gonna do just a 1 day, a 2 day, or like a week. But yeah, so right now it's actually really gloomy outside. It was raining earlier, but it's not raining anymore. So I'm gonna go to Target because I want to do a
jump scare.
I want to do a weekly reset. So I have to get some stuff for the video. And I want to clean out my car. My car is disgusting, you guys. So I want to do all of that. So I'm going to Target today to pick up some stuff and just to get some content, you know, because I got to be back on my grind. And then I'm going to Best Buy because I'm running out of storage on my phone, and I want to see if they have the 14 Pro Max in deep purple. We'll see. And what else do I have to do? I don't know, but we'll just see where the day takes us, y'all. And people are staring at me, so I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, TikTok has gotten me very comfortable with being uncomfortable with my camera outside, because I don't know, it just feels good to feel like I'm not the only one that kind of feel weird vlogging outside, because people just be staring, bro. But yeah, I had a lit weekend. It was my sister's birthday. If I do like a weekend recap, then I'll just post it right here so that y'all can see what your girl's been up to. Hey y'all, so we're in Best Buy. Where?
This TV rotate. They go from long ways, and then if you spin it, it goes sideways.
Why?
That shit hot.
Why is it curved? Ooh, it's a cute color for some earbuds. God is good. I got my phone. Turn it.
Turned over?
Yeah. Wow.
Open this. Is it open?
I got my phone. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, y'all. I know it may be a small accomplishment, but a win is a win. And I'm grateful for every win in my life this year. So I'm really excited I got my phone. Now I can make my content. And I have to worry about my storage, because I legit had 17,000 photos. So I needed my storage. Oh, this is so cute. I'm getting it. I don't know if y'all know this, but Target has an Ulta section. They have an Ulta section, and I've been wanting to try the Whey products because I always talk about it. So I want to smell it to see if it's really giving what it's supposed to give. I actually need some new lotion as well. Have some lotion. Here it is, y'all. So you have the scalp serum, the scalp and body scrub, body cleanser, cream, shampoo, hair oil, all that other stuff. And then you have hair masks. So yeah, let's get to smelling. This is the scalp and body scrub. Oh, this actually smells really good. It smells really good. Here is the cleanser. It smells like hand soap. Here's the body cream. Nah. And this is for your hair products. The hair one smells good. This is the fine to medium treatment mask. No. I think the only thing that I would get is the scalp and body scrub. This one. But everything else just smells like soap and basic.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Sorry, but save your coins, girls. But yeah, I don't think I'm a Whey girl. That's okay, because their stuff is pricey. The packaging is cute. I feel like you're paying for the name and the packaging, because the packaging is very clean and chic. But the smell of the products itself, no, I'll pass. But I think that's everything that I need to get in Target. So I'm about to check out and go home. And I actually think I'm going to be making that viral TikTok meal tonight. So yeah. Ready. All right, y'all, so I just made it home. I'm about to start cooking in a little bit. It's 7 o'clock, so I feel like I'm starting at a good time. And I'm gonna pour myself some wine. This is a wine cocktail. It's called La Catrina. And this is a mojito one. They have a margarita and they have a paloma one. I love mojitos, so we're gonna be drinking some of these tonight. This is so good. All right, y'all, so we about to get started with cooking. I am excited to try this new TikTok, this TikTok food, whatever, right? So it's a spaghetti Alfredo. And actually, can I just say, I'm really proud of myself for even filming in the grocery store, because normally it'd be packed, it'd be busy. I'm proud of myself for today. Like, even holding my camera up and having my camera out, people were walking by staring at me, probably looking like, oh, what is she doing? Whatever, you know, like being in my business. Don't do that. But people gonna do that, especially when you're outside doing something that not everybody does. So I just want to say I'm proud of myself for even going through with it for today. I just woke up and was like, I'm vlogging today. So it's a step in the right direction. I'm proud of myself, and yeah. So I'm about to make this this spaghetti Alfredo. Tastes so good with the ice in it. I'm about to make this spaghetti Alfredo. I don't think I'm gonna talk until I talk, but yeah, let's just get to it. I'm gonna show y'all all the ingredients I got. Well, let me just show y'all now. First, what you need is marinara. So this is the Prego Italian roasted garlic and herb because I'm a sucker for garlic. I love anything that has garlic in it. Oh my God, it's so good. And I got some tomato paste. I'm not making a lot. I got some hot Italian sausage. And I also got ground beef, the spaghetti, heavy whipping cream, a pack of peppers, and sharpened mozzarella. Everything else, all my seasoning, I already have. Oh, and you'll also need an onion for this as well. Love onions. Love onions, okay? So let's get started. What are we doing first? We're going to boil our water first, our pasta water. So let me get my pan out, and then we're going to get into the meat and like actually cooking everything up. So let's just vibe out. I'm going to play my music, drink my wine while I cook, and just have a good rest of the night. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. Wait, let me show you guys my phone. I want to know if y'all can guess how many pictures I have in my phone. Like it doesn't have to be exact number because it's an odd number. Leave a comment down below and let me know how many pictures y'all think I have in my phone, because it's a problem. I take too many pictures, screenshots of stuff. Like my camera roll is all over the place. I have so many pictures, y'all. So let me know how many pictures y'all think I have in my phone. Leave a comment down below because I do think it's abnormal. All right, y'all, let's just get started. Let's get started. Y'all, food is done. I can't see it, but it looks so good. Okay, taste test. Okay, let's see. No. Are you kidding? This is good.
Yes.
This is so good. 10 out of 10. TikTok never serves you wrong.
For sure, 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10. 12 out of 10.
This is so good. No, y'all, this is so good. Oh my gosh. Call me Chef Chic from now on. Don't play with it. I'm about to eat. I want to eat more, but it's late. And this is the only thing I had to eat today, y'all. I really should stop doing that. It's so good. It's so good. If y'all haven't tried this recipe, then go ahead and try it. I put my own little twist to it, so it might be better than what y'all seen on TikTok, but. So yeah, like I said, I'm about to eat and then finish editing, well, start editing and just do everything that I gotta do tonight. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it for the vlog for tonight. I didn't finish editing my YouTube video, but I did edit 2 TikToks. So me and Dre has been binge watching Power, like regular Power. And we started from season 3 and just kind of stopped at like season 6 when it got boring. And now we're rewatching Power Book 2. And oh my gosh, it's so good. So good. I've been binge watching Power Book 2 and it's really good, y'all. So good. If you haven't watched any of them at all, please watch it. It's so good. It's just like a lot of twists and turns, and it's just really good, honestly. The plot, the actors, the actresses, there is so good. The storyline, everything, really good. In my opinion, I think it's better than BMF. Don't come for me. Don't hate me. But it's better than BMF, in my opinion. But yeah, so been watching that, and I just finished editing and stuff, so about to take it down. It is like 11:30. I'm pretty tired. Had a lit weekend and got work tomorrow. So yeah, it's time to take it down. So good night, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to yet another video, yet another vlog. If y'all want more of these like day in the life vlogs, then leave a comment down below. Let me know that y'all enjoyed this video by thumbs upping, giving me a like, and also subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.